guys, it's Vishakha. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my DIY stuff that I recently did, and I'm going to keep this intro like real short because I'm so excited to share with you guys. So if this is the kind of video that interests you, then keep on watching and let's just jump into the video. So for the first project, I got this inspiration from Pinterest, and the minute I saw, I knew that I'm gonna be creating something like this because I'm so into modern art these days, and this clay plate caught my attention. So I went ahead and bought like bunch of stuff for this project, and let's see how it turned out. For this project, I used scissors, air drying clay, also a knife and a rolling pin. So I just took a little bit of air drying clay and gave it a good knead and turned it into a dough and started rolling it like so. So I rolled it enough until I got like enough surface area to play with. Then I went ahead and took a knife and gave it a good face kind of a cut because these plates are like a face shape. After doing so, I scraped out the excess part that we are going to be needing to make face parts. Now I'm going to take that remaining dough and roll it like so on surface of the table. I'm going to roll it until I get like enough thin kind of a line. I made this lip shape with that line, and I'm gonna go ahead and finish off this whole face with the line that we made. I'm also giving it a good brush with water so that it sticks to the plate real nice, so when it dries it doesn't come out easily. So it's a nice trick to make it stick to the plate or any other clay molding if you're gonna do. Now I'm going to quickly finish off this plate and show you guys the final result. Also gonna give it a good edge around the circumference so that it looks like a plate, and I'm gonna keep it for drying for like 24 hours, and I'm really happy the way it turned out, and this is the final look. Second project, I also got this inspiration from Pinterest only. It was such a beautiful bohemian decor piece, like wall hanging piece, and I knew that I'm going to be creating this because I needed something like wall hanging in my space. Bohemian is like my favorite decor style, so I was just roaming around in the nearby supermarket and I found this really beautiful wicker kind of placemats for dining table. But back in my head I knew that I want to create something like bohemian, so I thought why not use that placemat and create something beautiful. So I didn't create exactly the same decor piece that I got inspired by, but these also turned out really amazing. So let's see how it goes. For this project I use pair of scissors, one screwdriver and knitting thread. If you have like a regular knitting needle, that would do a better job, but since I didn't have like a regular needle, I just went ahead and used this screwdriver. What I'm gonna do now is roll the thread to the screwdriver 2-3 times and just insert it into the hole of this plate and take out that thread from the other side, and then I'm just going to take enough thread so that when I double it will be enough lengthy, if that makes sense. Now I'm again going to insert with the help of needle, and now by taking the mat upside down and making enough space for the thread to pull out the fringe so that it will be secure, and just to make it more secure I made another regular knot. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use the thread we measured as a guide. With the help of that, make another thread fringes of the same length. Here I used one knitting thread bundle, however it wasn't enough since I didn't have like a same color bundle. I used only one and it quite did well with only one bundle. Now I'm gonna go ahead and repeat this procedure until I get enough fringes on my imaginary tangent of this circular mat and show you guys the final result. So talking about the third project, it's not like really out of the box. If you guys remember, I told you guys that I'm gonna be DIYing my coasters because they were so blank and plain and I didn't really like them. So I went ahead and made really cute patterns with colors and stuff. And let's see how that turned out. For this project, I'm using acrylic paint, like white paint, gold paint, and some coasters. I got this from IKEA, and a tape. Now I'm going to make different patterns with the help of tape to secure the pattern from paint and to get like a clean finish. After fixing the tape, all I'm gonna do now is paint the areas with the color I chose. So one coat wasn't enough, so I gave it 2 generous amount of coats. So here's how they look after giving it a good paint, and here's my favorite part. I'm taking off this tape we fixed and it is so satisfying to watch. This is how it turned out. Alright guys, that was it for my today's video, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, then you know the drill. Like, share, comment, and also subscribe to my channel, and also let me know in the comment box below that if you would like to see such videos like DIY stuff. And that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.